Welcome to Food Trends TV. I'm everyday innovator Dana McCauley, and today we're going to talk about matcha. Matcha is the very special green tea that is turning up in everything from ice cream to cake to cookies to junk food. Matcha is growing as a flavor and as an ingredient at a really quite remarkable rate, and in fact it's expected that between 2015 and 2018 it will turn up in 25% more items each year. What makes matcha so desirable? It does have quite a nice taste. It's got a mellow green flavor that has a sweet finish, so it certainly is great with milky things like ice cream and lattes. But the real selling feature for matcha isn't how it tastes, it's what people think it can do for them. So there have been quite a few studies. Some of them are quite good quality and are suggesting that green tea and matcha in particular as a green tea can help you to have better mental acuity, and that it helps to fight cancers and anti-aging and that kind of thing because of the types of antioxidants that are found in matcha. Unless you're drinking matcha, the amount and the way that it changes when it has been processed into most foods means that you're really just having it for the taste. So if you're interested in health, you should be drinking your matcha. If you're interested in taste, well, then the sky is apparently the limit.